Hello and welcome to Yadnya Investment Academy. Today we are going to discuss about commercial papers. Commercial papers or CPs are unsecured and negotiable money market instruments issued by highly rated corporate entities to raise short-term funds to meet their working capital requirements directly from the market instead of borrowing from banks. These are not usually backed by any form of collaterals and are allowed to be issued only by corporates with high quality debt ratings. Role of CP is to bypass the intermediary role of the banking system. Few important things to note about the commercial papers are: prior approval of RBI is required before a company can issue CP in the market. Secondly, the issuer company should have a minimum net worth of rupees 4 crores and issue size should also be minimum rupees 4 crores. Third is the company should obtain a minimum rating of AA from rating agencies like CRISIL, ICRA, CARE, etc. Fourth is maturity of CP could be varying between 15 days to less than 1 year. Minimum amount of CP issued for a single investor will be rupees 25 lakhs with further denomination of rupees 5 lakhs. Banks can neither extend any standby or underwriting facility nor guarantee payment of instrument on maturity. So this is very important. Bank have no role in commercial papers issue. CP has to be issued at a discount to face value. Discount rate has to be freely determined by the market. Who can issue commercial papers? Corporates, primary dealers, and non-banking financial institutions are only eligible to issue commercial papers. Who can invest in commercial papers? Individuals, banking companies, other corporate bodies, and in unincorporated bodies, non-resident Indians, and foreign institutional investors all can invest in commercial papers. Now let's discuss few benefits of commercial papers. Commercial papers have been introduced in Indian market so as to provide a diversified source of funding to the borrowers as well as additional investment option to the investors. Some of the benefits to the issuer are listed below. First is interest cost associated with the issuance of CP is normally expected to be less than the cost of bank financing. Second is CP issuance provides a company with the increased access to short-term funding sources. Third is CP affords the issuer increased flexibility and liquidity in matching the exact amount and maturity of its debt to its current working capital requirement. Fourth is the issuance of CP provides the issuer with favorable exposure to major institutional investors as well as wider distribution of its debt. Also, CP program can be established with ease at a low cost once the basic criteria has been satisfied. CPs can be issued without any collateral, so very less paperwork and formalities are required. There are few benefits to the investors too. First is higher yields are expected to be generally obtainable on CP than on short-term money market instruments such as bank deposits. Second is commercial paper provides an attractive avenue for short-term portfolio diversification. They are very flexible as CP can be issued for periods from 15 days to less than 1 year, thereby providing opportunity to match precisely your cash flow requirements. CPs are fairly liquid as they have a secondary market as well where you can sell your commercial paper before the maturity. Major drawback of commercial papers for investor is that there is a lack of good secondary market for these kind of instruments, and this makes it difficult for the investor to sell off the commercial paper before its scheduled maturity date. Here are few examples of recently issued commercial papers by various top corporate companies. Before we close, we want to inform you about our new financial planning portal where you can create your financial plan for free. You can get more details on our website investyadnya.in or check details in the description of the video. That is all we have on this topic today. If you have any question on commercial papers, please do write in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Have a great time ahead. Jai Hind.